Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT R15 Pro, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. And to get started, let's open up the content that you want to capture. I'm going to use settings as an example. And once it's open, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down, both of them at the same time. You get this annoying sound and a little bit of an animation to signify that you have just captured a screenshot. Now, that is one way you could do it. There is also another one which I would consider a little bit less convenient, which is holding power key. And when you see the boot options, one of the options here is screenshot. Now it functions the same way as holding the two keys, so that's why I'm saying it's a little bit less convenient. But both of these ways work basically the same way, basically achieving a screenshot. So once you have captured them, you can find your screenshot in the photo gallery. So let's actually find it. There we go, photos. And in here you'll see your screenshots. There we go. So you can see two of them right over here. And that is how you would capture screenshots. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.